2017 Mercedes-Benz SLC. The highly recognizable Mercedes-Benz SLC offers significantly optimized technology and a ride that will surely leave you begging for more. Couple this with the safety features you've come to expect from Mercedes-Benz, and you have yourself a vehicle that you'll be itching to get behind the wheel of. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, compass, electronic stability control, CD player, trip computer, overhead console, panic alarm, tachometer, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.